Okay, before I get too wrapped up in this, I want to get a video. I am going to be replacing the windscreen on this 1997 Harley Road King, and this is the old windshield here. I just started disassembling the frame, and basically I've got all the screws loose, and I have my bag here, windshield bag, taken off of there. So, so far it's just loosening a bunch of screws and bolts on here, getting the frame disassembled. And this is seems to be a lower windshield. The measurement on this thing, the measurement on this one is 16. So I went with what they're calling a 17, and I wanted it at least 1 to 2 inches taller on this windscreen because it was just coming to the top of the bars and still getting a little bit of wind blast into my face. Nothing too major, but I wanted something a little bit taller. So anyway, I'm gonna continue with the disassembly and installation of this new Memphis Shades windscreen, and you can see the part number here. All right, so we've got the old screen off, and the only thing really going on with this one, there is some cracks here, and you know, it's just getting a bit scratched up. So I am going to clean these pieces before I try to reinstall them. I'm not going to go too crazy here because this is an old windshield, and these pieces are quite scratched up, and they've got a bit of patina. So I'm not too worried about it. Okay, so one thing I did want to see is that the windshield actually had the nylon inserts, which it does. These are to prevent cracking. So okay, that's going to be the easiest. Okay, so now it's saying put the new windshield on. Okay, yeah, this one is actually 1 inch taller than the old one. So that's pretty good. Actually, I like it that it comes to the top of the bars. Okay, we may have a slight problem here. This windshield is a little bit thicker. Okay, and then lastly, I'm going to take this thing off and get the bottom screws in there. Okay, since the windshield is thicker, I am going to run this without washers on the screws. Now the Memphis Shades does have those nylon washers in the holes, and that's supposed to prevent cracking, but I'm just going to be very careful about how much I tighten this thing. Okay, so now we will get this mounted back up on the bike. All right. Beautiful. Let's just see how that sits. Just about even with my nose there, and that's about right where I want it. Man, that looks nice. There you go, folks. The Memphis Shades Solar 17-inch windscreen.